Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to update Samsung mobiles. So in Samsung mobiles you can go to settings. Here if you go down you will see software update. So you can see download and install button. So once you download and install, so once it is completing its downloading, you can see here two buttons, schedule now and install now. You can click on install now. I'm just clicking the install now here. So now it is updating. You can see here Android system update. It is going to restart now. Now it's updating its system update. Once it is complete 100%, then it will update completely. So now the download is complete.